Guys, I've got some great news for you. I tell you what, wholesaling is back. It's back and it's bigger than ever. I'm going to give you a look into some of my SEO tools that I use to show you how I know this. And I also know this to be true because I market in several different cities and I've got a pretty good flow of calls coming in uh, from these different cities. And I can tell you that I ran a spreadsheet, and the phrase that pays is, often we buy houses. So that's kind of the things I'm looking at because it gets the most search terms. So while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring up a spreadsheet right here. Well, shit. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me bring up the spreadsheet right here. Now, I want you to look at, let me move this so you can see it. Okay, right here. Bring it there. Okay. This is actually showing you what the search volume is like. I don't have it all in the frame. There it is. Okay. I'm going to center this right here for a second. Okay. This is actually showing you that the searches. So this is search volume starting, as you can see, it goes up back to June of 2022. That's it actually goes all the way to January of 2004. Um, if you can see that. So, um, but as you can tell, just looking at the search volume, which is here in column B, that's each month search volume for We Buy Houses. Um, so let's go on down here. Oops, right there. This one. Look at the jump this year. I mean, especially since I'm going to say really like what, May of 2025. Do you see the jump here that went all the way to 39,000? I mean, look, that's bigger than any month before. Now I'm going to break it down a little differently, and we're just going to say we buy houses. All right. Well, I show up locally because that's what I do. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to take you more to this grid here. This is the one that we're really hyper focused on at the moment. So while I've got you on this page, you can see here where I'm at with this red bar graph, the trend data for We Buy Houses in the United States, all the way um, back to 5 year, all time actually, 2003 to 2021. Um, and you can see, look at this spike. It's higher than it's ever been, higher than it's ever been. So, I mean, this is a time that you need to really be cracking down and getting your shit together when it comes to wholesaling real estate. And people's already burnt out on all these phone calls and all this. That's why people are selling you PPC leads, trying to get it when people are searching, because that's how you're going to find people. And that's what we do. So let's take a look at this a little bit here. As you can see, um, we buy houses in volume. Uh, right now, of course, this is kind of a slow month, I'm guessing, right now. But overall, oh, this is over time. This is over time, the trend, but you can still see the trend. Let's go. Let me change this to 5 years. Okay. So this gives you a little more, we're in the slower season right now, I guess, because of the holidays. You can always see the holidays drop right there. See? So, but this is telling you more of what we're seeing. Do you see this big jump right now? Especially, I guess people seeing that, houses aren't selling. There's a lot of houses on the market and not enough buyers. And so people are making deals out here now. And the best way to get these deals is to be there when somebody is searching for a deal. So this clearly shows you that this is amazing right now of how we've jumped. And even if we go back all time, yeah, things picked up here back in when the real estate market crashed. People was trying to unload houses. Then everything went to crap right here. And if you remember in 2017, about when I got into the business, things jumped up pretty good and things were going real good. We saw a dip, a little bit of a dip here, but now it's jumped. So that's what I'm saying right now is the time that you want to get in. If you're getting into wholesaling or you've done it before, this is the time to do it. I rank number one in every one of my markets that I'm in. I'm in several different large cities, and I have room for a lot more partners. So, if you want to partner with me and you want the phone calls to come in and the deals to be coming in, I just looked at my numbers yesterday, and in one city that has about, I guess it's a small city. It's a small city. I don't even know if there's a million people there. But it's a smaller city, and I noticed that I did about 156 first time calls. So it was the first time that number ever called our phone system. I had about 156 calls for the year, which is not bad really. It's people calling in wanting to sell their house. Okay. Um, Sometimes it might be, those might be spam calls, but we tried to eliminate any of those that were spam calls and block calls. So we had a total of about 156 calls from what I can tell. Another major market, a pretty good sized market, I think Nashville, I think I got about 280, something like that, calls. It was kind of slow last year, but this year it's really picked up. And I see that. We see that here with the stats as we look online. So I'm just now about to get into Lafayette, Louisiana, with a partner there. And so I'm open to growing in places where you can wholesale real estate, which is pretty much everywhere except for like Oklahoma, Florida, and I think, what is it, Illinois. So anyway, if you're an investor, a real estate wholesaler, really, I mean, that's what we're looking for is real estate wholesalers. That's what I'm looking for is wholesalers that want to get into the game or have been in the game. I've been doing this now for about 8 years, and I've done just about any kind of deal you can think of, sub two, owner finance, uh, lots of wholesale deals. So, and we can wholesale sub two deals. So don't forget about that. So if you want to learn more about this, because I'm jumping back in headstrong, because I mean, things that dropped down for a while, we wasn't seeing many calls in 2024. 2025, we started seeing a jump, and from what I'm seeing, it's going to get even better. All right, so get on my channel, whatever, subscribe, and you can find me easily online at William Xavier Baker. You can join up with my YouTube channel and follow me along and learn how to do this stuff. If you need a script, you need to know how to talk to people when they call you, you'll want to stick to my channel. I'm going to be teaching this stuff. All right. Talk to you later. William Xavier Baker.